The Larson Electronics Isolation Transformer is a 2 kVA one-phase energy-efficient fully potted isolation transformer that is powerful, reliable, and designed with the environment in mind. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications, this transformer provides increased reliability, protection against critical equipment failures, and an extra level of protection by isolating the power source from the connected device. This isolation transformer is a single-phase unit with a primary voltage of 120 volts. It also provides a secondary voltage of 20 or 40 volts single-phase. Featuring robust construction, this unit's cores are manufactured with non-aging cold-rolled silicon steel laminations using state-of-the-art technology. This isolation transformer is suitable for wall mounting applications. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.